Thank you for joining us here at the Redondo Beach Performing Arts Theater. I am Sahana's twin brother, Tyler Matthews, and I've been asked to give a brief intro to the show. As you all find your seats, I'm going to speak a little about Sahana's immense journey to get here. First off, my family would like to thank you all for allowing us to share a little piece of our culture with you. What you are about to see is a major part of the art of Bharatanatyam, and we gather here to celebrate the time that Sahana spent as a student of dance and to watch her take her first steps on the stage as a true dancer. I know that Sahana is thrilled to share this great passion of hers with you all. Now, if you Google search our Engatram, you'll find something along the lines of a solo dance debut that acts as the graduation of a dance student to a true dancer. Although this definition holds true, it's missing a key aspect. An Arangetram is a highly emotional journey for the dancer and her family. It is a moment where she is able to show her true dedication to the life of a dancer on the stage solo. The sheer amount of effort that Sahana has put in towards this moment speaks volumes about this dedication to the life of being a dancer, and I'm extremely proud of her. For those of you who know me and her personally, you are aware of how competitive we are. Growing up, we would compete in every activity possible and push each other to our limits. However, dance is the only activity that remained unique to Sahana. Now, I'm not saying that I couldn't take up the dance if I wanted to, but it wasn't my thing. But honestly, I don't think that even if I tried, I could ever compare to the dancer that she has become. She is an exceptional dancer, and I hope that you all see this while she is on the stage today and enjoy the show. Thank you for coming.
Good evening, friends. We commence this auspicious occasion with a song of prayer to Lord Ganesha, the destroyer of obstacles, the bestower of auspiciousness.
Vakunda nalla manamunda maamalara nokulda மேனி நுடங்காது பூக்கொண்டு துப்பார் திருமேனி தும்பிக்கையான் பாதம் தப்பாமல் சார்வார் தமக்கு தும்பிக்கையான் பாதம் தப்பாமல் சார்வார் தமக்கு கஜவதனா கருணா சதனா गजवदना करुणा सदना श्री गजवदना करुणा ಸದನ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಕರಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಶಂಕರ ಬಾಲ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಸುಂದರ ಗಜವದನ ಕರುಣಾ ಸದನ ಅಜನ ಮರೇಂದ್ರನು ಅಜನ ಮರೇಂದ್ರನು ಮುನಿವರಂ ಪಣಿಯು ಅಜನ ಮರೇಂದ್ರನು ಮುನಿವರಂ ಪಣಿಯು ಅಜನ ಮರೇಂದ್ರನು ಮುನಿವರಂ ಪಣಿಯು ಪಂಕಜ ಚರಣ ಶರಣಂ पंकज चरण शरणं शरणं पंकज चरण शरणं शरणं श्री गजवदन करुणा सदना नीये मूलगीर्कादारं नीये शिवागम मन्त्रसारं नीये मूलगीर्कादारं नीये शिवागम मन्त्रसारं नीये நீயே வாழ்வினில் ஜீவாதாரம் நீயே வாழ்வினில் ஜீவாதாரம் நீயே அருள்வாய் சுமுகா நீ அருள்வாய் சுமுகா ஓங்காரா நீ அருள்வாய் சுமுகா ஓங்காரா கஜவதனா करुणा सदना शंकर बाल लंबोदर सुंदर गजवदना करुणा सदना गजवदना